Hey everyone, it's Austin Sproul from Cleveland State Rec Center, and today is the start of a new series called Cooking with the Rec, and we'll be posting videos of some of our staff's favorite healthy meal preps. Today's meal prep is Mexican style chili, brought to you by Cleveland State Aquatic staff. So first off, we're going to start by browning the meat, and we're going to do this in the same pot we're going to cook everything in. Of course, we're using 93% lean, 7% fat. You can use any ground beef you want. Just remember the less lean, it's going to mess up the macros, change the macros, so just remember that. Once your ground beef is brown, we'll start adding the green peppers, onions, tomatoes, your beans once they're drained and washed, and the bone broth. Now it's time to season the chili. We'll be using ground cumin, garlic powder, and chili powder, and of course pepper and salt. Pretty much just add to your taste. So now we're just going to turn down the heat to simmer and let the pot simmer for 2 hours. Stir once in a while. Don't leave the pot, and we'll just put the lid on top. Once we finish cooking the chili, it's ready to be plated. We're serving this chili with instant rice, which can be either cooked in the microwave or on the stove. We're garnishing the chili with avocado, shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream. If you want to add salt or pepper, go ahead. Again, this is a meal prep, so you're going to have extras, and you can freeze it, keep it in the fridge. If you freeze it, it'll be good for 6 months. If you just keep it in the fridge, should be good for a week and a half. This is Austin from Cleveland State Rec Center. Just like to thank you guys for joining us in the kitchen today. Make sure you try this at home. Go ahead and post on social media, tag the Rec Center, and let us know how it went. Thank you.